Hey everyone, this is a quick review of the Orford 5-foot wheelchair ramp. This thing is awesome for going up and down patios, and it really makes things a lot easier and a lot more accessible. It's that easy to set up and take down. This is a super convenient ramp. This thing is rated for 600 pounds. It's made out of solid aluminum. It has a good grip tape surface across the whole thing. It also has little 1 1/4 inch high guards on either end that keep you from going off the sides. They also have reflective tape on them, and they remind you which way is up. This does have a top and a bottom. Don't get those mixed up. When you're done using this, it is super lightweight. It's 30 pounds. It's so easy to fold up. You just grab it, flip it up on end, and then you've got 2 cotter pins that go in right here that keep it locked. You got 2 for redundancy and safety. These are ball spring loaded. And then on the other side here, you've got a carry handle that's riveted onto the frame. Up at the top, there's a rubberized strip that will grip onto the threshold or whatever you're going up. Since this is so lightweight, it's also super easy to transport. It doesn't even go up past the second row of seats when I put it in the back of our van.